Today I'm showing you 4 quick and very delicious Christmas recipes, affordable, aromatic, and easy for any kitchen. They're ready in minutes and create a truly festive atmosphere at home. Let's get started. 1. Recipe. Easy Christmas. Honey cookies, no resting time. Ingredients: for 20 honey cookies, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons honey, 80 grams sugar, 60 milliliters oil, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of vanilla, approximately 220 grams flour. Preparation 1. Mix the egg, honey, sugar, and oil until smooth. 2. Add cinnamon, vanilla, and baking soda. Stir again. 3. Add the flour gradually and form a soft dough. 4. Shape small balls and place on baking paper. 5. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes until soft and fragrant. Nutritional value per 1 cookie. For approximately 20 cookies, calories: approximately 58 kilocalories, carbohydrates: 10.2 grams, fat: 1.6 grams, protein: 0.9 grams, fiber: 0.3 grams. Two. Recipe: Christmas balls, only 3 ingredients. Ingredients: servings: approximately 18 to 20 balls, 250 grams crushed biscuits, 3 tablespoons honey, 80 milliliters milk, or 60 milliliters if you want them firmer. Preparation 1. I pour the crushed biscuits into a bowl. I use finely ground ones for a smoother mixture. 2. I add the honey and milk. I start mixing with a spoon, then with my hand. 3. I knead until I get a soft, non-sticky dough. It should be easy to shape. 4. I shape small balls, making them all the same size. 5. I arrange them on a plate and optionally sprinkle with powdered sugar or coconut. Ready to serve. Nutritional value per 1 ball. For 20 balls. Calories: approximately 65 kilocalories, carbohydrates: 11.5 grams, fat: 1.3 grams, protein: 0.9 grams, fiber: 0.3 grams. Three. Recipe: cheese savory biscuits, cheese crackers, Christmas shapes. Ingredients: servings: approximately 30 savory biscuits, 200 grams flour, 100 grams soft butter, 80 grams grated yellow cheese or white cheese, 1 egg, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder. Preparation 1. In a bowl, I mix the soft butter, egg, and salt. I stir until smooth. 2. I add the grated cheese, or white cheese. Mix lightly. 3. I add the flour plus baking powder. Knead into a soft, smooth, non-sticky dough. 4. I roll out the dough into a thin sheet, about 0.7 centimeters, perfect for using cookie cutters. 5. I cut out Christmas shapes: stars, trees, hearts. I place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. 6. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. They're ready when the edges turn slightly golden. Nutritional value per 1 savory biscuit. Calories: approximately 45 kilocalories, carbohydrates: 3.8 grams, fat: 2.6 grams, protein: 1.7 grams, fiber: 0.2 grams. Four. Recipe: fluffy Christmas cake with orange and cinnamon ingredients. 3 eggs, 120 grams, sugar 80 milliliters oil, 150 milliliters milk. 1 orange, zest plus juice, 250 grams flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 packet baking powder, 10 grams, 1 vanilla. 1. In a bowl, I beat the eggs and sugar. I whisk for about 1 minute until they lighten slightly. 2. I add the oil, milk, orange zest, and juice. Mix until smooth. 3. I add the dry ingredients: flour, cinnamon, vanilla, and baking powder. Gently fold with a spatula without overmixing. 4. I pour the batter into a cake mold. Optionally, I sprinkle some sliced almonds on top. 5. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. The cake becomes fluffy, golden, and very aromatic. 6. Let it cool and dust with powdered sugar. Perfect for a festive photo. Nutritional value per one slice, 1/10 of the cake. Calories, approximately 210 kilocalories. Carbohydrates, 32 grams. Fat, 7.5 grams. Protein, 4.1 grams. Fiber, 0.9 grams. I hope these Christmas recipes bring warmth and aroma into your home. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more delicious ideas. Happy holidays!